just rained outside, so let's go look at it. I'm ready. Show me the light. Yeah, it's wet outside for sure. Jeez, look at this. There's flower petals all over the grass. My dad told me not to go in the grass. It's probably muddy. There's a bird bringing things for its nest on our light. Every time it rains, the dog poop turns light. Light brown. I'm not a fan of you, Mr. Bird. I really am not. Okay, so this is up close, the nest. I'm going to pretend these little black things on the ground are North Korean military guards protecting the wet Korea. Not protecting it, trying to fight it. Okay, so yesterday, my dad needed mulch to put in the raised plant beds. So we ordered a big truck full of it. Now there's this pile in the middle of our driveway. He's done using all of it. The man gave us far more than we needed. This is me with the mulch pile. And now after the storm, there's mulch everywhere, like Bosnia's landmines. Well, at least it helped the plants. I think these are tulips. I forgot what they are. Tour of the raised plant beds. Hose. The wet dirt. Jeez, there's so many tulips falling off. Like 5,000 a second. The amount of tacos eaten in Mexico every millisecond. And that's the end. See you after the next storm.